Plumbing Design and Estimate by Max Fajardo. Summarized. Chapter 13. Question number 21. Ideal air pressure range. A. 20 to 30 pounds per square inch. B. 10 to 20 pounds per square inch. C. 20 to 45 pounds per square inch. D. 20 to 40 pounds per square inch. Correct answer, letter D, 20 to 40 psi. Question number 22. It is an innovation of air pressurized distribution system. Is used on tall building that could not be adequately served by street main. This system could deliver water at varying rates needed from 2, 3 or several faucets to full demand of entire building. A. Direct upfeed pumping system. B. Direct downfeed pumping system. C. Direct overhead feed pumping system. D. None of these. Correct answer, letter A, direct upfeed pumping system. Question number 23. Direct upfeed pumping system is a blank. A. Duplex pump. B. Quadruplex pump. C. Triplex pump. D. None of these. Correct answer, letter C, triplex pump. Question number 24. Small pump in direct upfeed system is called A. Direct. B. Jockey. C. Piston. D. Ejector. Correct answer, letter B, jockey. Question number 25. A pressure range measured over a period of 24 hours. A. Direct pressure. B. Indirect pressure. C. Normal pressure. D. Standard pressure. Correct answer, letter C, normal pressure. Question number 26. The PRV, pressure relief valve, will keep the pressure constant at blank. A. 10 pounds per square inch. B. 20 pounds per square inch. C. 30 pounds per square inch. D. 40 pounds per square inch. Correct answer, letter D, 40 psi. Question number 27. Refers to the maximum and minimum pressure at which proper function of water supply system can be maintained. A. Pressure loss. B. Critical pressure. C. Frictional head loss. D. Peak load. Correct answer, letter B, critical pressure. Question number 28. Is the loss in rate of flow due to friction? A. Pressure loss. B. Critical pressure. C. Frictional head loss. D. Peak load. Correct answer, letter C, frictional head loss. Question number 29. Refers to the variations of pressure between water main and outlet end of water service and is caused by friction. A. Pressure loss. B. Critical pressure. C. Frictional head loss. D. Peak load. Correct answer, letter A, pressure loss. Question number 30. Refers to the maximum water discharge of fixtures in terms of fixture units. Blank is the total fixture units in the plumbing system. A. DFU. B. WSFU. C. Maximum fixture unit. D. Maximum demand. Correct answer, letter D, maximum demand.